Monica is a utility chatbot, also known as AI assistant extension on the browser that helps you to interact with web pages and AI power capability. This video is step-by-step guide on how you can use it. First, you need to go to the extensions store of Chrome. Here you need to search Monica, and you can see on the screen Monica, your co-pilot powered by GPT and Claude. Here you have to see add to your browser. After adding to your browser, you have to log in with the account. Now you can see the interface now how it looks like. After that, you can chat to the AI bot, and there are some other things like here you can see on the left side here, yeah, there are so many things like AI bots, GPT-4, Claude. These AI bots help you to ask a question. For example, if you want to ask question to chat GPT, you can select chat GPT-4. If you want to ask question to Claude, you select Claude. If you want to ask question to the Meta AI, you can ask Llama. You can use Gemini, even Gemini Pro. These are some options that help you to engage with AI with Monica. On the left side you can see bots, search, read. Here you can see on the web. Here if you enable this web option, you will able to search on the internet like Perplexity AI, and I'll see you in the next one.